Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to customize your Google Chrome homepage. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, click Appearance from the left sidebar. Here, you can customize different homepage options, including how Chrome looks and behaves. After that, open the Search Engine section if you want to change your default search engine. Then, go to On Startup and select Open the New Tab page if you want Chrome to open a fresh new tab every time you launch the browser. Now, open a new tab and click Customize Chrome in the bottom right corner. From here, you can change the theme colors, lighting, background, and other personalization options to make Chrome look exactly the way you want. That's it. Your Google Chrome homepage is now customized. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.